guys, I'm Khaled. So we're in Philippines. So I want to show my toys review and let's go begin. So this is the Lego pieces, and this is Muwad's Among Us. Wait, Among Us. And Primo and Jania. Skeleton, I don't know that name, Snake of Sun, and this is Snake of Dad. See, it's this one, and Zane, and this guy, and I hear there's villain using a Lego technique, and this one head too. And there is Among Us is covered their own body. Huh. What a distraction. And this one, and this is a machine. I saw you, and right here. Can spin, look.